To customize lock screen clock in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the personalization. So just click on that, which should open your personalization screen, and you can select your lock screen on the left side. Now click on this customize button and then select the clock. This will allow you to customize it, so you can see there's plenty of options. We can change the font for the main clock. We can also change how the clock will look like with only hours or only minutes, or original digital time with hours and minutes. There's also option to add widgets beneath our clock, so you can add something like humidity, pressure, or anything else from this list, so choose whichever one you like. Then we can go back, because there's one thing we can do here. Click on the font effects, and then you'll be able to apply different colors for your clock font, and also for the secondary widgets. And finally, our clock is finished. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.